Welcome to our deep dive on the brand new Trumpchi M8 Cancun, GAC's flagship MPV, co-developed with Huawei and CATL to deliver a truly next-generation driving experience. At first glance, the M8 Cancun's bold trapezoidal grille and full-width LED light bar command attention, signaling its premium positioning in the full-size MPV segment. The sleek hidden door handles and multi-spoke alloy wheels not only enhance aerodynamics but also underscore its futuristic styling cues. Step inside and you're greeted by Huawei's HarmonyOS Smart Cockpit, featuring a seamlessly integrated dual-screen setup that mirrors your smartphone and supports over-the-air updates. With HiCar app compatibility and intuitive voice controls, the M8 Cancun transforms into a smartphone on wheels designed for the modern family. Under the hood of its advanced Cancun ADS 3.0 system, roof-mounted LiDAR, millimeter wave radars, and high-res cameras work in concert to deliver Level 2+ autonomous driving. From automated valet parking to highway pilot, this suite continuously learns via NVIDIA Orin X processors to refine your driving assistance. Powering the plug-in hybrid powertrain is CATL's cutting-edge Ningguang battery, leveraging cell-to-pack design for over 200 kg energy density. With a usable capacity of around 20 kWh, the M8 Cancun achieves a pure electric CLTC range of approximately 136 kW and a combined output of 274 kW and 630 Nm. In the second row, zero-gravity health seats modeled on aerospace research reduce spinal pressure, while 24-point full-body massage functions keep passengers refreshed on long journeys. Coupled with dual-layer acoustic glass and an advanced P2.5 air filtration system, the M8 Cancun creates a serene third space between home and office. Predicted 0-100 km in around 8.8 seconds under hybrid mode, competitive for a full-size MPV. The Drive-1 system's torque vectoring and the active suspension yield agile handling and minimized body roll, unusual for its class. Early testers note that Cancun ADS 3.0 handles highway merges and stop-and-go traffic smoothly, with over-the-air improvements refining lane centering and object detection continuously, a key advantage over static ADAS packages. Real-world fuel consumption hovers around 6.4 L100 km once the PHEV pack depletes, while pure EV trips up to 130 km are achievable on typical urban cycles. CATL's thermal management keeps peak performance consistent even in high ambient temperatures. The Trumpchi M8 Cancun is more than an MPV. It's a showcase of China's tech auto synergy. Huawei's full family package of HarmonyOS Cancun ADS 3.0 and Drive-1 Drive electronics unites with CATL's state-of-the-art Ningguang battery and aerospace-inspired health seats to offer a compelling value proposition. By invoking Cancun, Trumpchi demonstrates that it understands the name's cosmic connotation, a vehicle as vast in capability as the universe itself. The M8 Cancun stands poised to redefine the flagship MPV segment, making its understanding not just a marketing slogan, but a tangible driving experience.